Just throwing this up real quick in case any of you were trying to get a better idea of what this pool looked like I was, instead of just internet pictures. It's the Intex 12-foot metal frame pool. Comes with the pump. These are anywhere from $500 to $700 depending on where you get it from. I shopped around until I could find a deal on it. I got it for about $540, $550 free shipping. eBay actually. Seen them on Amazon, but they were sold out. Seen these at Myers and Walmart and such too. But anyways, so it's a 12-footer. It's 30 inches deep. There she is. We're working on filling it up right now. It's 1,700 gallons. So, see, I'm 5'9", and this is just below my waist. So, depending on how full you fill it, most adults are going to be able to sit in it with their head just barely poking out of the water. So, initially I thought that I only got half the pipes I needed, and it turns out that for the 12-footer, you get 12 of these side pipes here, the horizontal ones, and 12 of these also. Well, they actually stuck the little ones inside the big ones, so I was in a bit of a panic because I thought I didn't get them until I tipped one and it fell out and hit my toe. So don't do that. But yeah, that's the 12-footer. That's what it looks like. Not bad. So if you want to know what it looks like, there you go. I got this tarp. This was a, what was it? 17 by 29, 6-ply, or what do they call it? I don't remember. It was the tougher one, Harbor Freight. $60 for this tarp. This kind of tarp would be like $100 or more at Lowe's or something like that. So it mentions in the book that they have like a cloth placemat to go under this. It's an option. I would definitely get that if you can. Mine didn't come with it. I don't know if some of them do or if it's only an option. But I would recommend getting a tarp like this doubled over, and then the cloth on top, and then put the pool on top just to make sure nothing pokes through the bottom. So I just got the tarp because I thought that it came with the cloth, and it didn't. Also, it does not come with a ladder, so either you're gonna have to throw your kids in it and pull them out, or you're gonna have to go get the ladder somewhere. So, but other than that, it's not too terrible to assemble with 2 people. It's about the biggest pool you're gonna get for $500. Anyways, yeah, don't have a whole lot more to say about it. I just wanted to post it up real quick because when I was buying it, I wanted to see what it really looked like all assembled and everything like that. So it's kind of hard to find. There you go. Well, it's been about, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. It's got about 10 inches in it. I'm waiting for it to get up to there so I can work on getting the pump installed, but that won't be until tomorrow. I'm gonna let it run for a few more hours, and then I'm gonna stop it before it hits those pipes where it'll come out, because I gotta get the hoses hooked up and get the pump hooked up.